Howdy, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for joining us today. Today, TBK is tackling cleaning up this front garden bed that we made. When last we actually used it, we had garlic planted in it so that deer wouldn't mess with our plants, and it worked beautifully. We had mulched it with a straw netting that you can use to prevent erosion. We had one left over, and it worked beautifully for that, to keep weeds and such out. TBK starts by using our weed puller to remove any grass and weeds that have been popping up by their roots. He then rakes all of that up and removes the weeds and the netting remnants that was around the garlic and trashes those, and puts the rest that is good into our compost pile. Using our Ryobi 40V Rear Tine Tiller that he got me for my birthday and Christmas last year, he's loosening up the soil so that we can amend it and put seeds into it. He starts with the most shallow setting, which is about 4 to 6 inches deep, and it's actually pretty loose already, so it's going a little bit further down than that to do his first pass. He then turns it around after that first pass to get close to the bricks that are on the right there. And he goes ahead and adjusts it to 10 inches depth for his second pass over. He wound up changing the batteries and used 2 of the 4 amp hour 40 volt batteries to do this bed. Now he enlists the help of one of our awesome sons to help spread the compost to the wall, and then uses the tractor, our awesome Kubota, to spread out the rest. One more scoop should finish it off. Then they're going to use their garden rakes to smooth it all out, tossing out any major rocks that they find. It is the wrong time of year here to plant garlic, so I wind up planting a variety of flowers here with some tall sunflowers in the back and then going forward to shorter flowers. And I can't wait to show you. They've started popping up lately and I can't wait to see them blooming. Here, TBK and our son are cleaning up, which is a very important step. It keeps the mud from promoting rust, it helps your tools to last much longer, and even better, it gets them ready for your next usage. There were lots of roots tightly wrapped around the axle, so TBK winds up having to cut them off so they can finish cleaning up. Now it's time to put it away and out of the sun so it will last a long time for us. Stay tuned for our next video where TBK continues tilling our largest bed to get it ready for use. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment to keep seeing content like this and to help our channel. And voila! It looks beautiful and it's ready to use again. We really appreciate you joining us today and can't wait to see you next time. Have a blessed day.